a hot minute. I know it's been forever since I did a video. I'm still going through a bunch of stuff. I did get good news and everything, but yeah, it's about like 10:33 at night right now. I came over here to film, and yeah, so I missed you guys. So if you don't know, oh, just dropped something. So anyway, so yeah, so if you don't know of anything that's going on, I have another video, we'll talk about it, but I do have good news, so I can't wait to share that with you on the next video. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, my name is April. Hope you guys stick around. So this video is going to be my Ipsy unbagging. If you are new to any of this, Ipsy is basically a company that you pay monthly and you get like beauty products. Like 5 beauty products monthly, and I've actually been with Ipsy about 3 years. I want to say going on 3 years, or it's been 3 years, something like that. And sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, but that's just, you know, the thing about it. You know, you take a little test and all that. If you want everything, the link on the website, the link for the website or whatever will be in the description in the bottom if you guys want to check that out. So yeah, it's just $10 a month and you get like products. The good thing with me, for me liking this for like 3 years ago, I just want to try out other companies that I've never heard of. And that's the good thing with this, that you get to hear companies, and it's only like $10, so you can't really, like, you know, be like, oh, okay, well, I do like it, I'm gonna buy the full size, or, you know, go and get more of the product. Or if maybe like, oh, I don't like this product, which is only sometimes the stuff that I don't like, and you normally just put on the side and I go give it to my mom, my sister, or some friends that are into it. I do have people that I know that don't have a huge makeup collection like I do. I have a huge makeup collection. I've always loved makeup since I was very young. I got into it since I was like very little because my first product was lipstick, and then I was in dancing and just kind of, you know, grew and stuff. But if you're new and you want to like try to do like a, how can I say, like, you want to make your collection big, I think this is a really good idea to just kind of like build up on your makeup collection. No, it's not sponsored, and I'm just saying this to help you guys out. There's other companies that you do a monthly and you get some free products. Some of their companies are actually, prices are different. So this is the only one that I pay for. It's the only company that I've been with for a long time as well. So just letting you guys know. So anyways, let's get started. So usually Ipsy sends you in a pink bag like this. Now I don't know what I got except for 2 things, only because I peeked in and they don't fit into the bag. So I was just kind of like, I want to know, you know, and I haven't done that in a long time. I normally just open it up as soon as I get it, film it, and whatnot. I say whatnot a lot. I did it, April. So anyway, I'm trying to get the little card, because normally it comes with a card and it kind of tells you like the theme of it. Which I don't. Okay. I don't want to show you guys anything yet. So they have a little card and it says go there. This is what the card looks like. That's kind of the theme for this month Ipsy bag. It just says, hey hipster, we're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Okay, sorry, I had another phone call. I'm always getting phone calls. I mean, anybody can call me when I'm not filming. It always happens when people call me when I'm filming. Anyway, so yeah, I guess it's just like a little like Paris type of thing, cafe. So anyway, that's what it looks like. And then the bag for the month looks like this. I actually really like this. It just has like, it's yellow and it's peach, and it has like little stamps that says Paris, airmail, and yeah, like if you're mailing something. I think the bag is cute. It's like the colors are really like springy, and it says Ipsy right here, and then the little Ipsy zipper, and it says Ipsy. Now, first off, I like the colors and I love the material. Okay, so this kind of material is kind of like a vinyl, plasticky type of material, and I think that all makeup bags should be made out of this kind of material, only because if it's a makeup bag, it's easier to clean if you have any kind of makeup in there. If you spill it, foundation, powder, lipstick smudges, whatever it is, you can just get like a white makeup removable wipe. Clorox wipe is what I usually use to clean a lot of my stuff, and it's easy to clean. So I would think that this type of material I love on makeup bags versus like cloth, which is like a bitch to clean. So that's just an A+ for me on the material itself. So before I get into that, like I said, they had 2 products in here. So the first thing I want to talk about that I got is this right here. This is a Medic poreless carbonic pill, which I think Oh, this looks so cool. It's like the whole medical one. I've heard of this before. I just never... Have I tried this before? I want to say Ipsy sent me something similar to this, or this brand, maybe like the first year that I had Ipsy, I want to say. Maybe second year. I'm not too sure, but it's been a while. And I think I got something like this, but it wasn't black like this or anything. I love anything that has a mask. And I think this is like a sheet mask. Right off you can tell it's like a Asian or Korean brand with the writing, and it is a pill mask, so that's pretty cool. I guess it's just not like a sheet mask, but anyway, I like masks in general just because I'm always putting a mask. I've been like so stressed out this past 2 months that it has been crazy. So much stuff has been going on, like I mentioned, and sometimes like it just kind of really brings me down. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to do anything. The only time I get up is take the girls to school, pick them up, take them to any kind of practices or meetings that they need, and basically just come home, and I just stay home and I don't want to do anything. So a lot of times I just kind of take a nice hot shower or a cold shower, because right now summer is kicking in. I hate this weather, and I just, you know, lay down on the couch, watch Netflix or a movie, or watch YouTube on my phone and or TV, and I just kind of just put a mask on just to kind of relax and make my body just kind of relax and just take it and breathe, whatever. So I'm always loving this type like masks to do when I'm having that type of feeling going on that day. But can't wait to try this. And so the next thing I want to talk about, just throw that over there, is a brush. I love when Ipsy sends me brushes. Ipsy sends me quite a few brushes, different types, and I always say you can never have enough brushes, because if you... Oh, I love those little rhinestones right here. I just put lipstick on my nose. Little rhinestones. I have a pink and a blue one. I don't know if you can see the pink and the blue, but this is an eyeshadow brush in 15 by Shimmy Glam, or Slimmy Glam. That's right there. But I love, you can never have enough brushes, especially eyeshadow brushes and blending brushes are my favorite to get. And it makes you like, I don't know, my brush collection is getting pretty intense. But I always say you can never have enough, especially like me that I do makeup on clients or whatnot. Like, whatnot again, really? It just makes it a lot faster and easier. Like sometimes I have like 2 people or whatever, and I'm doing makeup, and it's just like, you know, instead of going back and cleaning them, disinfecting them and stuff like that, it just makes my collection worth it when I have makeup clients to do. So that, I love the color scheme. I think it's really cool. That's the purple and pink, purple and blue, and then the navy blue that is right here. I think that I love this color scheme, so that's an A+ for me. So let's open up this bag. So right off the bat, you see the inside is that orangey, like tangerine color, and I'm just gonna pull the first thing out. Huda, what is it? Huda Beauty. I love eyelashes, and I am so excited that I got eyelashes in my Ipsy bag. This is Jade number 13 Fox Mink, which I love Fox Mink eyelashes. Oh my goodness, I love these. I've always wanted to try these, and I hadn't. And I do have a collection of eyelashes. I have a collection of everything, but I am so excited to try these. Now these lashes just so describes me, because I love like really like bold, thick, long, out there lashes, and usually those are kind of where when I'm going on a date or have on vacation or going somewhere like really exciting, I always use those type of lashes. I love that, so I'm so excited that I got that. So the next thing I want to pull out is, it says Miami. I guess it's a nail lacquer, and it looks like this. Sometimes I'm okay with getting polishes, and sometimes it's like, okay, sending me too much, but I cannot be mad when they send me really cool funky colors. Like, I love this. I love the way the packaging is. It looks so cute, and then it has like this little diamond type of little, my mind went blank, type of little decal on there. So I think that is so cool. Let me see the little brush, and it's silver. Oh yeah, this is so cool. So this is by Deco nail lacquer. This is Deco nail lacquer, vegan and cruelty free, and it just says Miami. So I'm guessing it says Deco's philosophy. So it says Deco Miami nail lacquer. So that's what it says, and yeah, I like the color. I like funky colors. But right now, I'm so digging my nails right now. I love this American like powder type of nails. I talked about it in my favorites video. I just love it. I haven't done that in a long time. Anyway, I'm always going with like funky colors. And the last thing I got is a dewy glow balm for skin, lips, and nails. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a dewy glow balm by Orza. Has been perfectly formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. So it looks like this. I wonder if it smells good. Let me see. So it's like a thick, consistent, as you can see right there. There's no scent to it at all, but I do see the dewiness of it. I don't know if you guys can see how like a foundation knows like doing something, but yeah, you can see the dewiness. But yeah, guys, that was it. That was in my Ipsy bag. I actually like everything that's in it. My favorite, I have to say, are the lashes. I am so excited that I got this in my Ipsy bag. Those are my favorite thing that I got in my Ipsy bag. But yes, that is about it. So I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was kind of quick and easy and fast, but I am going to be shooting another video tomorrow. I did have another video, but I was editing and I didn't really like it, so I kind of just like, I don't think I'm going to upload that one. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this. If you haven't already, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.